I know you ain't no good for me, but you feel so good to me.
I'm excited. I've been doing lots of curly units lately, so I haven't played with a lot of like straight and body wave hair, so I'm low-key lit. Nadula sent me this 18-inch body wave V parts. So cute. It's giving silk pressy press, okay? Really like it. I'm excited to put her on, so let's go ahead and get into it. Y'all have seen me put on a V part a million times, so I don't want to bore y'all with the actual install. Pretty much I have my hair like slicked back in a little ponytail, and then I'm parting out my V part leave out up top, and I'm just gonna clip the wig around the part. Nothing too spicy at all. This video is mostly gonna be about the styling, but I still want to show you guys what I did, because maybe you are new to V parts. And I don't want you to be like, girl, what the hell did you just do? Because I hate watching the YouTube video and they skip over like the entire tutorial section. I'll just be like, girl. But yeah, I clipped that little V part, leave out here in the center out the way, and I'm just kind of brushing the rest of my hair back, popping the little clips open around the part, and we're gonna just go ahead and lay her down.
I've been watching like the hawk in the sky. My prayer. Boy, I promise you, if we keep bumping heads, I know that one of these days.
Okay, so I clipped the wig in and it's laying really nice and flat around the part, which I love. But now we gotta blend this leave out, girl, because it's looking atrocious. So I'm gonna just part it down the center. You would swear the fate of the free world depended on my part being straight the way I be taking it serious. Has anybody else's allergies been cutting up? I have been like on pins and needles for like a week. It's been killing me. I always have really bad like season changing allergies, but this is beyond me. It's getting out of hand.
Won't you pick me up at the park right now, up the block while everyone sleeps? I'll be waiting there with my trips, my looks, my hat, just so I'm low key. If you tell the
do y'all be catching me burning myself? Cause I be trying to hide it, but I be in pain. I definitely be burning myself on these videos. All right, so we have it blended for the most part, but the texture is a little off. The wig is giving body wave, my hair is giving bone straight. We a little all over the place. I don't want to do too much for the styling, so we're gonna just trim it a little teensers and give her a little curl, kind of just going for like a little silk press vibe. I thought about doing a bob, but I don't want to cut too much off because I don't have that many straight wigs. So if I cut it, that's kind of cute. Wait a minute. Oh, okay, no. We're gonna just do it regular right now. And then if I want a bob, I can always come back and cut it later, because if I get scissor happy right now, we will be here all night. So I'm just cutting like a little ½ an inch off just to clean up the bottom. And now we just need to cut a little layer situation to kind of blend in my natural hair with the extensions. So I'm parting from the crown of my hair to right by my ear. We're gonna just comb it forward. I'm kind of shaking my natural hair out and then giving it a little cut to add some layers.
A few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you're doing what you want.
Okay, now all that's left to do is curl her and maybe like some baby hairs. I'm gonna go in and section the hair to curl it, but I'm gonna curl it with my flat iron. It's the same 1-inch Babyliss Pro flat iron that I've been using this whole time. I'll link it down below if you guys want to pick it up. I can't live without her. I keep saying I'm gonna go and get the 2-inch one, but I keep forgetting. And then when I need it, I gotta make do with what I got. What's your favorite flat iron? Like, are you like a bougie flat iron, like Dyson girly? Are you like a classic Chi girly? Are you like a Conair girly? What's the vibes? What's your favorite flat iron? I need to know. And how long have you had your flat iron? I had this one like wet to dry flat iron in high school, and I promise you it was like something special about it. My hair never got straight, like never gets as straight with any other straightener as it did with that one. I don't know what it's about, and I want to say it's discontinued because when I went to find another one when mine finally broke, I had it for like 10 years, like a long time. But when it finally broke, I went to look for another one and they couldn't find it. Baby, I was losing my mind. I was not happy about it at all. But yeah, it's giving us some cute little Shirley Temple curl situations. I'm gonna come back when I get closer to the top and show you guys how I like do the curls to frame my face.
Even I know you ain't no good for me, but you feel so good to me. Every time I come back.
All right, so far I'm loving it, but y'all know we gotta hit it with a little baby hair. We got to. One time for the one time.
This ain't what I want, this is something else. Something that ain't good for my health. And I've been searching, but I can't get no help. And I don't feel like myself. Oh, yeah. That's why I was to come through for real. This time I'll be blue for real. After this time I'll be blue for real.
Okay, this is the finished look. It's giving silk press. I'm gonna show y'all the back. The curls are super duper bouncy. It's not overly full, but it looks full enough. It's not like heavy, if that makes sense. It's very like light. Hold on, let me turn my fan on so y'all can get into it. Let me get y'all together. It didn't quite give Fabio like I needed it to, but you got a little taste. All right, so this is the finished look. She's cute and curled. I'm about to try a couple of extra wigs and kind of see which one I'm really feeling. All the details about this hair will be down below in the description bar if you guys want to go ahead and check it out, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, babes. Mwah.
Nadula.